Update for project number 20201. Our wiring job for electrical works is complete. As you can see, the ceiling lights there, that is for the split type air condition unit. Down is the convenience outlet, and here is our junction box, and down is the convenience outlet and the switches. This is the dining room, the wiring for the ceiling lights. There is a convenience outlet there. This one here is the split type air condition unit, and down is the convenience outlet. Our junction box there, then the outlet for emergency light, the switches, this is the family area. This one is the men's room. This is the junction box there. This is the switches, and down is the convenience outlet. This is the kitchen. And here is our convenience outlet for the kitchen. This one here is the storeroom. This is the junction box, convenience outlet. This one here is the panel board. We'll go to the first floor. It's the hallway here. The ceiling light. This is the bedroom. This one here is the split type AC. Down is the convenience outlet. The other side of the wall That is our junction box and the emergency light, the switches, and the convenience outlet. Here is another bedroom. That one there is the split type AC, and then down is the convenience outlet. Here is the junction box, and besides the junction box is the outlet for emergency light, and down is the convenience outlet, the switches. Here is the master's bedroom. That one there in the corner is the convenience outlet, and that one there is the split type AC, and down is the convenience outlet. Then another junction box and the emergency light. Then down is the switches, convenience outlet. So and here is another bedroom. Ceiling lights. There is a convenience outlet there near the window. That is the split type AC there. Down is the convenience outlet. And that is the junction box with the emergency light outlet. And down is the switches. This one here, another bedroom. And that is the split type AC there. There is the junction box, and that is down there is the convenience outlet and the TV outlet. And that is another junction box there with the outlet for emergency light. Down is the convenience outlet, and if you notice all the bedrooms there is an individual utility box that is intended for the interphone. So here in every room, going down from the junction box is our interphone cable, and also all the bedrooms have the same cabling system for TV. From the junction box there, down here is our convenience outlet and the outlet for TV cable. And this box here is the home run box for the TV cable and interphone cable. All TV cables and interphone cables for the ground floor coming out to this junction box, and then it will go to the rooftop. And then this one for the first floor. This is the home run box for interphone cable and TV cable. So each cable from the bedrooms are going here, then go up to the rooftop. This is our panel board for the first floor. This is 24 branches with 100 amperes main switch. And that's it for the update for this project 20201, electrical wire pulling for convenience outlet, ceiling lights, switches, interphone cable, and the TV cable.